Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint on the VMware Workstation. So at first, to install Linux Mint, we need to install the VMware Workstation. You just need to open your default browser and search for VMware Workstation. So you can see this first link here. Just open it. So click on download Fusion or Workstation. So you can see this here, this is the login panel. So now at first we need to sign up for the bootcamp, and after that we can only download the VMware Workstation. So to sign up, so you just need to click on this login button and click on register. So now enter your email address. So now you need to enter the verification code which has been sent to your email. So after this, you need to complete your registration. So for that, it asks for your first name and country where you are residing. Now after this, the registration is successful. Now click on I'll do it later. So now click on login. Click on next. So that's it. You are successfully set to download the VMware Workstation. Now click on My Downloads. And you will see this here, free software download available here. So click on this. So down here you can see this VMware Workstation Pro. So just click on that and download the VMware Workstation Pro. If you are using the Linux, then download this Linux version. So if your work system is Windows, then just download the Windows one. And you will see the bunch of options here. So click on the latest release. So click on terms and conditions. So after that, you can click on this I agree button and just choose to download this. So it may ask you to enter the more details about yourself. It may ask you to add your address, your city, and your provinces and your country. So just quickly fill this form up. Now again click on terms and conditions, and after that choose to I agree, and now you can just easily download the Workstation Pro. So after the download is done, just open the exe file, click on S. The installation is pretty much easy, so just click on the I accept, next. So that's it, we are done with the installation. So after installing the VMware Workstation, we need to download the ISO file of the Linux Mint. So for that, you can just search for Linux Mint, click on download, and you can see these three options, three editions of the Linux Mint. The first one is Cinnamon, which is the most popular version. It looks more elegant, and you can choose XFC or Matte edition, whichever you prefer. But for now, I'm going to download the Cinnamon edition. Just click on download. So after downloading the Linux Mint, you just need to search for VMware. You can just open this VMware Workstation 17 player. And this is the basically interface of the VMware Workstation. So at first, to install the Linux Mint, we need to create a new virtual machine so that we could install Linux Mint onto that virtual machine. So just click on create. And you need to select this installer disk image, and you just need to browse that ISO file which you have just downloaded. So this is my Linux Mint ISO file which I have just downloaded. After this, just click on next and choose the Linux, other Linux 64-bit, and click on next. You can just name your virtual machine as Linux Mint. And now you need to allocate the virtual hard drive for your Linux Mint system. So I recommend you to allocate at least 30 gigs. but you can allocate as much as you want according to your requirement, and just click on next. So things are done here, so you can just click on finish, and you can see this Linux Mint system here. So before playing this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings. So now here you can allocate the memory size as per your requirement and system capabilities. So to be on safer side, I recommend you to allocate 4 gigs, but 2 gigs will also do the work. And you can allocate the processors according to system capabilities. And after this, you can just leave everything as it is and click on OK. So everything is done here. You can just choose to play this virtual machine. Choose to start Linux Mint. Now you'll see this option to install the Linux Mint here. Double click on it. And now you just choose your language for the installation. Click on continue. You can choose your keyboard layout. You can test your keyboard here. Click on continue. So you'll see this option to install the multimedia codecs. So I recommend you to always choose to install this. Just click on it and click on continue. So you will see these 2 options to install the Linux Mint system. The first one is erase disks and install the Linux Mint into it, and another one is something else. So you can just create the multiple partition and install the Linux Mint into the one partition and leave the another as the secondary partition. And while installing it on the VMware, I recommend you to choose the first option to erase disks and install Linux Mint to reduce the complication. Click on continue. You can just choose your time zone, choose your username, choose the password. That's it, we are done here. So now the installation process is started, so it may take a while, so you can just sit back, relax and enjoy a coffee. So you can head back after the 10 to 15 minutes. So after installation is completed, you can just choose to continue testing or restart the system. So you can just restart the system now. So you can just press the enter to remove the installation medium. So type the password for the username you created. So that's it, the Linux Mint is successfully installed. You can just click it on let's go, and you can just leave everything as it is for now. You can just close it, and the full screen mode is not working. So to fix this, you can just minimize this, and you can just again maximize and choose the full screen option. So here we go, this is the Linux Mint 22.1 Cinnamon edition, and it is successfully installed into my system, into the VMware. So hey guys, thanks for watching. In this way you can install Linux Mint into your VMware Workstation. So see you on next video. Until then, signing out.